In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track stock prices in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable sheet that pulls live market data and keeps it organized for quick checks throughout the day. Start by setting up your columns in row 1. Create headers for ticker, company name, price, change percent, and 52-week high. These labels keep everything clear and make formulas easier to manage. If you plan to monitor more details, you can also add columns for 52-week low and market capitalization, so all the key metrics are visible in one place. Next, add your tickers under the ticker column. For best accuracy, include the exchange prefix with the symbol like NASDAQ, APL, NASDAQ, GOOG, or NASDAQ MSFT. This helps Google Sheets pinpoint the exact listing, especially for companies that trade on multiple exchanges or share similar symbols. Now let's pull in live prices. Click the price cell in the first ticker row and enter is equals to Google Finance A2. Prices assuming your first ticker is in cell A2. This formula requests the current trading price for that symbol. If you prefer hard coding a single ticker, you could use is equals to Google Finance NASDAQ TEPL, price as an example. But referencing the cell keeps your sheet flexible. After confirming the price formula works, drag the fill handle down to apply it to all rows that contain tickers. This copies the same logic for each symbol, saving time and ensuring consistency. Google Sheets will automatically refresh this market data, but it isn't truly real time. Expect a delay of up to 20 minutes. That's normal behavior for this function and is usually fine for tracking and research. To complete the sheet, populate the other columns with Google Finance attributes. For company name, use is equals to Google Finance A2. Name to display the official company name next to the ticker. For price change, use is equals to Google Finance A2. Change to see the day's numeric movement. For percentage change, enter is equals to Google Finance A2. Change PCT to show the movement in percent terms. For 52-week high and 52-week low, use is equals to Google Finance A2. High 52 and is equals to Google Finance A2. Low 52, so you can quickly compare today's price to its yearly range. And if you added a market capitalization column, use is equals to Google Finance A2. Market cap to see the company's total market value. If a value appears blank or returns an error, double-check the ticker format and exchange code. Once everything is in place, you'll have a clean, auto-updating dashboard for your favorite stocks. Thanks for watching.